Hi there guys, welcome to another Sunday morning vlog. I'm headed out to Gem Suzuki today because my friend is taking delivery of the new Busa on his birthday. Today is his 50th birthday, Gagan Bhai, and I'm headed uh, to capture this priceless moment of taking his dream motorcycle. I don't know how many of you remember, we had done a Suzuki Hayabusa ride and Gagan Bhai was part of it. He kept exclaiming that it was his best machine or dream machine. So Gagan Bhai,
Yes,
how is your experience, Busa experience?
it's one of the best experiences of my life. It's a dream, and this is the ultimate bike. I would love to own one very soon. Just that
I know
need to
Gagan
collect
Bhai.
a lot of money.
I know Gagan Bhai, he's been a hardcore fan of
Busa.
the Busa. Yeah.
Busa is my dream machine, and I'll surely one day pick up one.
And today his dream comes true, so on his 50th birthday. So this is a priceless moment, and as a well-wisher he wanted me there, so that's again I'm so happy and grateful that he has invited me over to capture this. So let's not waste any more time, heading out on my MT-15 to Gem Suzuki Kondapur, and then rest of the action will continue from there. So here we are at Gem Suzuki. Here's my MT-15 wearing a Suzuki jersey, riding MT-15. देखिए ये लोगों का reaction कैसा है. So first time I'm going to see the Busa, the new 2021 Busa up front, first hand, in front of me, because I haven't had the opportunity to see it prior. This is the silver color variant that Gagan Bhai has chosen. We're still waiting for him, but the bike has already arrived. So let's get inside. Okay, so here's the machine. It's being set up now. Wow, it looks actually slightly longer than the previous version. Now all the specs and the details will be updated later, but it looks classy in this kind of a matte silver attire. So this is kind of first impression. Looks well put together, sharp and sleek. So let's wait for Gagan Bhai and let's see how the rest of the day unfolds. More biker buddies are coming. They're on the way. These are the guys whom I used to ride with, and as they set up the vehicle, let's wait as to how this priceless moment, getting a Busa on your 50th birthday, how exciting it is. Gagan Bhai, happy birthday.
Thank you so much for the lovely wishes.
Sir, always there.
Congratulations to you too for your new bike.
For my
Oh,
Betona.
yeah, congrats.
Betona ke liye. So, dream come true. I was recalling that moment. You remember? We all went for a ride. And you took the test ride and you said it's Busa is a Busa. Lena hai to lena hai bolke.
Yeah, this is
So?
the one we wanted. And
So
long dream cherished tha.
Huh?
So now we are realizing it today.
So how do you feel in half century
on
with
top
the
of the
bike?
world, and especially it's come on a day when it's my birthday, 50th. So I'm too young for it, I know it.
Age is
just a number.
नहीं number नहीं. Age is reversing with this man actually.
He's getting not
No, it's-
old, he's getting
younger by the day.
I
Chaliye.
really thank you for coming down
Sir.
and covering up.
You are like my brother. You guys, like, of course, that'll never change. चलिए देखेंगे first reactions.
Come. Thank you. Oh wow. This is really big man.
Yeah, this looks slightly longer
I know
actually.
this is a slightly longer one. Wow.
And whose color choice was it?
We always wanted a silver, me
Achha.
and my wife. So
Okay.
from the day it was launched in India and all over the world, we were thinking that in case we get to book the Busa, it should be silver, not the black or the white.
Why?
Because black I do personally don't like the color, but All three colors are beautiful.
Yeah.
But
Silver
is-
looks very classy actually. It looks.
This is nice. Can't get better than this.
Yeah, यहाँ पे कुछ एक छोटा सा स्पॉइलर जैसा कुछ दिया है यहाँ पे.
Yes.
Tail exhausts are new. Huh? It looks like a samurai warrior now.
My wife has done the honors. I have to give the credit to her because she's the one who cooked it without me knowing it. So that was
She kept it under the
3 months she's been doing that. So it's a great thing that this come on time on the birthday. Otherwise it was coming later. So luckily they got it.
Perfect timing actually.
Oh yes, nothing better than this. So I have to give it to the showroom guys. Not to this
So
company.
Abhishek, what's your impression? First impression?
Awesome.
Awesome?
It's
Super
a dream,
awesome.
It's a dream for many, but it's coming true for many.
तो गगन भाई आपके फिटनेस का राज बोलो. भाभी जी का स्ट्रिक्ट डाइट है.
Yeah, that my wife is taking care of me
Okay.
and inspired by Pondy to lose weight. He is not losing, so I said I'll try. And Abhishek also
इनका
very
इनका
fit.
टारगेट भी ये पूरा कर रहे हैं.
Yeah, boss. At 50, if I'm fat, I'll not do justice to the boosa.
सारा होना वेट इधर आ
तो अभी थोड़ी सी पेट पूजा की ज़रूरत है. ब्रेकफास्ट टाइम. एक्सयूवी में जा रहे हैं अभिषेक जी. सो लेट्स गेट इनसाइड बिफोर दे लीव विदाउट मी.
Who or what are you now looking for? I got to believe my love wasn't enough. You are in every dream and everything I lay my eyes on. What are you looking for when you look at me?
So here's the queen and here's the king for
He is
today.
the owner.
She's the owner. She's the one who surprised Gagan
she's the
bhai
one-
actually.
My wife, Monia, thank you for giving me such a big surprise on my 50th birthday. It really means a lot.
She's the owner. He's
She's the owner. She's the owner. I am the manager.
So true love always prevails, and it's such a good thing that you had planned something, but God had made sure that it all comes down to a perfect timing.
On this special day.
Yeah, so true love always kind of shines through, and God acknowledges that. And so happy to have known you as a friend, as a brother, and you're blessed to have a person who loves you more than herself actually.
She's the love of my life. And thanks to you, Dino, for coming
Thank
and
you so much.
joining us in celebrating with us.
Why
birthday and the delivery.
you are always like family. We all know that. Like we've been
Same
riding
here, buddy.
together. Yeah.
Such a beauty. Such a beauty.
My heart is beating.
I know, but thank you so much, John. So kind of you. We really appreciate all the effort.
Yeah.
Very nice of you. Yes, yes.
Really sweet of John to timely delivery.
Poor guy, he hasn't slept, I know.
No, all of them, they all were
But all
working.
they were working.
All were sleeping.
Thank you all so much. Beauty. Such
John
a
is my elder son.
Hi sir.
Dhruv.
How do you like it?
And I say, I'm
Beautiful. Again, their time to own.
Especially the color.
Okay.
Yeah, also.
Whose choice was the color? Of course, I think
mine,
ma'am.
mine. Without a doubt.
Colors are choice.
I wasn't too keen on the black one. With 50, I think this was the best that suited him.
It's a classy color.
It's a
है.
classy color, yes, yes.
You are in every dream and everything I lay my eyes on. What are you looking for when you look at me? You gotta know. I was never young.
Keys. Actually like a
Lakshmi, she is the Lakshmi. I am the manager of the vehicle.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Gagan, kick maro.